Last of Us, and today, ugh, a soldier just hit me.
Move. Turn around, underneath.
Have no idea what this is about. Hang on, Kevin, let me scoot your chair inside there.
Put your hands on your head.
Should I zoom in a little?
Maybe.
Sierra of Sector 12, requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood. Look the other way.
There you go.
Shut up. What's ETA?
Couple minutes.
Oh, yeah, don't just let them, like, capture you like that.
I thought we were just gonna hold him up or something.
Oh, shit. Look. Jesus Christ. Marlene set us up.
So yeah, guys, there's a lot of PlayStation exclusives that I'm gonna be playing.
I'm not infected.
No?
I've
Just lying.
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
wait.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's 3 weeks old.
You know, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear.
So Ellie has been infected by a zombie, as you can see there. That machine tells people if they're infected or not, and that alerted because Ellie, and there's a bite mark on her, and it's 3 weeks old. So she's clearly not a zombie, and she probably won't be anymore, but that's...
But how did she not be a zombie anymore?
I have no idea. Maybe it was just a bite and they didn't... Okay, because if you bite her arm off, there's nothing much... Zombies eat brains, and they didn't get a chance to eat hers. You know? We haven't really fought any zombies yet, though.
Am I covering it up?
No. No. I might die. Ugh. I'm dead. Use the environment wisely to block this site.
Wait.
Okay. I can't... Okay, I made a little stupid mistake by just walking into that. Okay. Let's go. Ugh. Let's crouch on the floor. Hey, Kevin, we're not getting much. Oh, I thought that was a bad guy coming at me. Yeah, anyways, some new PlayStation exclusives coming. I'm going to be playing some Ratchet and Clank and The Last Guardian. God of War is a PlayStation 4 exclusive, so is Spider-Man, so is this, you know?
Stay down, don't let him see you.
Should I shoot him or not?
Nah.
Up!
Maybe you're gonna probably get caught.
No, I'm not going to let him catch me. Alright, where are they? Where are these idiots? Oh! Ugh!
Why does it keep respawning?
He's not respawning, he's just not dead.
Wait, how?
Great, now I only have 10 bullets left. Ugh.
He's dead now.
Yeah, great, now I only have 3 bullets left. Oh well.
How would you get the bullets then?
I don't know. I don't know how to reload. Oh, there we go. Hold R2. That's how. Now, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. But, yeah. I'm a little low in health. Should I heal?
Maybe.
Come on, Ellie.
We're gonna get down. Come on up.
There's so many of them out here. How are we supposed to get past them?
In spite of this, let's go around.
Look,
There's too many tests.
Too many soldiers. You know, why are they killing humans if this is like a zombie apocalypse? I thought it was mainly a zombie apocalypse game. But they're killing people.
It doesn't make sense.
Well, they're in their way and they're trying to kill them too, so they have to survive. Mainly.
So they want to kill him so they'll get extra bullets? Maybe that's why. They're probably killing
Stun them. Ugh!
Maybe they're probably also killing him because they don't know if he's infected or not.
Ugh. That thing that they said,
They probably think they're infected.
they're only after Ellie because she is infected, but no, that's not. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. Maybe they lost family and that's why they want to put their anger on other people, but don't know.
Or maybe they also think she's infected, but she's not really not.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Alright, where am I? And where do I go? Oh, in here. Let's go. Hopefully we're away from from some soldiers for right now.
This looks right. Stay close.
Whew.
At least we're out of the way.
Pretty dark right now.
I think we can squeeze through here.
Right through here?
Maybe over there?
No. That's where we came out of.
Maybe the door over there?
In front of me?
Yeah.
No.
Or
Right here?
no. No. Maybe it's like over somewhere. I think it's that.
This door?
It's that door.
Well, oh, here.
Shit. Got more soldiers. Target's still on the loose, sir. Break off pursuit. Report back to Sector
If only I had more bullets.
Or reload.
I can't. I'm out of bullets. Like, no more ammo. I can't reload. You need ammo to reload. Let me try. Nope. See? Well, let me. Parts to upgrade your weapons. Oh, this is good. This is really good.
Home safe?
No, they're still around. But it'll take a moment to catch you up. Joel, see if there's anything we can use in here.
Sure thing, boss.
Boss. I don't know what this is. Oh, bull ammo. 2 bullets.
No,
that's it.
reload.
Yeah, I just did.
And into you. I was focusing on that man that you're just playing as.
Joel, you mean? That's his name.
Yeah.
I think I just came this way. Did I? Yeah, I think I did.
Maybe it's better if you're like a bit older and then forget somehow.
If you're... Oh, yep, I just came this way. You mean it's older? It's better if you're older, if you play this game, right?
Or watch this.
Because this is a bloody, gory game with bad words, and it's a little challenging. Okay. Okay. Gonna end this video in about 5 minutes, cause all our videos are usually all 15 minutes. I have no idea where we're going at all, but I'll find a way. I'll find a way.
You know, some people likes like longer videos. But you need to make it like a bit just right. Like in a movie it's like long, but if you make it too long, people won't just like stop. And some people, if you make it too low, then that means you'll just be bored them out. It's like saying like hi and
We're
then,
in
and
we're
then
in the
end
sewer
video.
right now.
Like say hi and then bye. Like first say hi.
I get it.
Oh, hello. Bye, see you later. And then end the video. That's kind of like boring.
Yeah, we get it.
Yeah. I don't know how much boredness it will get.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
There you go.
What was the plan? Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies. What then?
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone with doctors there still trying to find.
Wonder what I should title this
I've
video.
heard that before, huh, Tess?
Maybe the search?
The search for what?
How about the search for, what's her name?
Ellie?
The search for Ellie.
But that's her right there. She's here
Oh, I'm
with
sure
us.
she did.
But we need,
Fuck you,
but
man. I
I'm
didn't
not
ask
sure
for
what to,
this.
Me neither, Tess.
I'm not sure what to title
It's true.
it.
I can't.
What if,
Maybe
Joel,
this, just
when
call
we
it
come
the
this far, let's
search
just
down.
finish it.
This.
I need to remind you what is out there.
I get it.
Oh, I died in this video. Maybe we should call it The Kill.
Or the death of
The kill.
something. Alright, the kill.
This way.
Some people title like a bit different, like parts, and then some people just don't. Some people just do it like an episode way. You know Shark Sunday Survival?
Is he a video game YouTuber?
Yeah. And he also do like real life in his other channel. So
God, it's raining bad out here.
So Shark, because it doesn't say parts, but instead it just says like what he wants to say. Yeah.
Sorry there for a minute.
What the hell was that?
Tess, you hear that?
Yeah. Sounded pretty far away, though. Are we safe? For now. Come on. Yeah, that's quite a drop.
And there's the Capitol building.
We need to get around this mess.
Well, I have no idea how I'm going to get there, but we're going to find out in the next video, and I'm going to be past this part. Alright, so